Welcome to Standard 10 students. Today we are going to see English Unit 1 Prose, His First Flight, 2 marks. Why did the seagull fail to fly? The young seagull failed to fly because it was afraid. What did the parents do when the young seagull failed to fly? His parents scolded him. His parents let him to starve. What was the first catch of the young seagull's older brother? Herring was the first catch of the young seagull's older brother. Here you have to learn only the word herring, and all the other words you have to take it from the question. Did the young seagull manage to find in his search for food on the ledge? Dried piece of mackerel's tail, dried piece of eggshell on the ledge. What did the young bird do to seek the attention of his parents? It pretended to sleep. It uttered a low cackle. What made the young seagull go mad? It was very hungry. His mother did not feed him. This made the young seagull go mad. Why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? His mother flew across him with a piece of fish. He became happy and uttered a joyful scream. Here the word utter is changed into uttered in the answer. Did the mother bird offer any food to the young bird? No, the mother bird did not offer any food to the young bird. Here you have to learn only the word no. The mother bird did not, you have to add did not offer any food to the young bird. How did the bird feel when it started flying for the first time? Its terror ceased. It screamed with joy. What did the young bird's family do when he started flying? The young bird's family was very happy. They flew high and low around him. Let's learn the book back questions from page number 5. How was the young seagull's first attempt to fly? The young seagull's first attempt to fly was a failure. It was afraid to fly. How did the parents support and encourage the young seagull's brothers and sister? The parents supported and encouraged the young seagull's brothers and sister by perfecting them in the art of flight. Here you have to change the word support into supported and encourage into encouraged. Give an instance that shows the pathetic condition of the young bird. The young seagull was afraid to fly. He was alone on the ledge. He searched for food and found nothing. How did the bird try to reach its parents without having to fly? He walked back and forth on the ledge, but it was a failure. Do you think that the young seagull's parents were harsh to him? Why? No, they trained him to fly. His mother's trial made the young seagull succeed his first flight. What made the young seagull to fly finally? His mother showed a piece of fish. He dived at the fish in hunger. This prompted the young seagull to fly finally. What happened to the young seagull when it landed on the green sea? When the young seagull landed on the green sea, it sank into it. Finally, it was floating on the water. சில்ட்ரன், இப்போ இந்த 2 மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோவை திருப்பி போட்டு பார்த்து இதை நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இதில் இருக்க ஹார்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் உடைய ஸ்பெல்லிங்லாம் நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு இதை நீங்கள் டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பாருங்கள். பெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் லக்.